When a scraper like this, then you can do directly and fry it. So you keep like this your scraper, the oil is hot, and you start scraping it. So see, so this way you can do. So this is another way directly how those chips people do. Okay, so this is another way of making your chips with directly with this. If you have any other scraper, then you can use any other scraper too. This is design 1 and design 2. So you will get like this style. Okay, so this is all falling over here. See here, and then throw it. So whichever way is best, knife or this, it's up to you. And make this and enjoy. And then again same method, do this also, this water. Enjoy your Goan banana chips fry at home. Make it on weekends, Friday, Saturday, and give it to your kids, your children and adults, your husband, your mother or anyone, and just enjoy. Thank you. Thank you. This is also known as, like they say in Kerala also you get, but in Goa we have a big plantation in Moira, and that's why it is called Mondo chicken. So why not do at our own home? Goan banana chips. Thank you. Welcome to Bell's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am going to show you all how to make banana chips. Okay, crispy banana chips. And the other video it was semi-ripe, and still it came out good because it was not ripe fully. But today I brought this specially from our Friday market, and it is our Moira bananas, but they are raw. So now we will start to cut this. So first thing, whichever you want to do, we will remove it, and then cut this, and then we have to this is so much raw. Okay, so you need raw bananas, and then if you have a slicer you can do with slicer directly, or you do it with your knife. So thinner slices are better. So now I will just cut this fast, and then I've kept my oil for frying. So I'm using coconut oil. You can use normal oil also. Okay. Then we need little bit salt water. So this I am doing without turmeric powder water, only salt water. So I'm cutting it fast. So how much you want to make that time? Cut one, fry, then go for next. So one banana is cut. We need now water, salt water. So this is water, and I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of salt to this. Okay, let's go for frying. So my oil is hot on low flame. Now I will add little bit and see. So if this floats, then our oil is hot, and don't fry it on high flame, otherwise it will not become crispy, it will burn. So it has to flow up, that means our oil is ready. Okay, so our oil is ready now to fry all this. So I will add all So if you have this Goan banana, then it is nice to make this. Now we will add our water to this, that is salt water. Fry this till it is crispy. So if you see, it's still frying, and it is again on low flame only. Until we hear that kurkur sound, we have to fry, or you can remove one and check if it is fried crispy. Yeah, it is still little bit is remaining. And the color, you don't need turmeric powder to add for this Goan bananas, which is Moiria bananas, or mondochi. In Goa we say it is monochi. So you don't need any turmeric color or anything. But if you want a darker color than this, then you can add turmeric powder to the salt water. So children love this, even we all love this, like movie time and all. And it has become very expensive actually. See, you can hear the sound. So it's almost getting done, and right time we will remove. So checking point is like we will check one, and if it is crispy then we will remove the remaining. Okay, so we will check this. Yeah, so these are done. So I'll show you. It's hot. Ow, 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 ow. Tasty. So I will now remove this. Okay. Crispy sound, and you feel so happy when it is crispy sound. Perfect banana chips. Let it get cool down before we can store this. So I have purchased it from Mapsa market, and it is for 150 rupees for half dozen, for 6 bananas. So depends on the size also. So these are done. Now I will fry some curry leaves, because curry leaves flavor always goes nice. A few curry leaves. And we'll fry this crispy. So it gives a nice flavor. Okay. And here is our perfect, you can hear the sound, and so crispy. Store this and keep this.